Come on, friends, we're back at Ikea. Let's get into some plant shopping. These ficus are interesting. Ficus ginseng. They're 25 each. I like that they're already potted up in a ceramic pot. They also have some sansevierias. Look at this. Beautifully popping. Looks like the sansevierias. They're in 6-inch pot. And they're $10 each. Look at this one. Beautiful. And this one over here. They also have the aloe vera, and aloe vera is $5 each. Nice and thick, so healthy. They have the cyclamen. What's the price on the cyclamen? There's only 3 of them left. There's even some Christmas cactus in here. They're in bud. In hanging basket as well. Not sure if the price on those could be $11, but they also have the Bella Palm, and the Bella Palm is in 6-inch pots. Now over here they've got the pine. It's the Norfolk pine. A beautiful cluster. There's a lot in this pot, so it's nice and full and bushy on top. They're $20 each, and they're in a 6-inch pot. The grafted or braided money trees, 4-inch pots, $13 each. Look at how nice this is. Beautiful leaves as well. They've got the grafted cactus. These are $8 each. Some beautiful color. Really nice. Now this 3-pack of cactus is $15. They're also in beautiful decorative pots. Oh, look at that, 3-in-1. Another 3-in-1. And a beautiful plant in the center. The 3-pack set is $15. And these echeverias and golem jade, they're $5 each. They've got loads of these Slumbagera Christmas cactus. They're 10 each. The Dracaenas, they're $4 each. I like this little branching action that's going on. $4, that's not bad for these little 4-inch pots.
Look at this, Michelle.
More of the echeverias and golem jades that are priced at $4. And they've got the lucky bamboo. 2 prices for the lucky bamboo. They've got the spiral and the more of a straight columnar variety. $2.99 for the straight, and the spiral $5 each. Down here, these little guys are priced at $5 as well. In decorative pots, which is a nice touch. They've got some gisterias in here. Some haworthias too. Look at the haworthia. One of my favorites, so rewarding, always giving off those little pups. Oh, this one's interesting. Nice thick leaves. And down below, more of the aloe veras for $5. Well, this is that medicinal type too. Over here, they've got some tropicals. These syngoniums are $5 each. There's a peperomia in here. And look at this pothos. They're all $5 each. They've got the orchids, and look at this. 2 spikes on these orchids. The spikes are humongous. They're $20 each for the orchids. The yellow is very pretty. And the root system looks great as well. Look at those roots. Really nice. And I like that they're already potted in bark. You just need to purchase a decorative pot, take these home and enjoy. Look at this. They've got the pine trees. They're $15 each. This is such a great idea. You can pot this up in a decorative pot for Christmas and decorate it for Christmas as well. And when the season's over, you can plant it in the yard or keep it out on the balcony. This is what I'm talking about. Oh, isn't that nice? And a few decorative balls or bows on this. It's a really nice touch. They also have the poinsettias. The little 4-inch pot, $7 each. They've got loads of those Christmas cactus. They've got the red, but this color looks interesting. And I love that majority of them have flower buds on them. Perfect time to buy one of these. And these larger poinsettias, looks like a 6-inch pot. They're 10 each. These pine trees are such a good idea. And the pot's nice and sturdy as well. The pots are $9 each. If you're looking for some specimen sizes, they also have them. They've got the Dracaena. Dracaena is $33. Look at that. 2 nice sized plants in the pot. They do have some palms as well. And the palms are $25 each. I see some sansevierias in the back. Good sizes on these sansevierias. These are looking nice and healthy. $25 for the sansevieria. And these yuccas over here. Check out the yucca. Nice and beefy. Really thick trunk on these. Oh, this is nice. $28 for the yucca. That's a good size for $28. They also have the money tree. Look at these money trees. There's some humongous beauties. The stem's amazing on these as well. They're $46 each. These large palms are also a beautiful statement piece. Wow, look at this. $65 for these humongous palm trees. This looks like a 12 or 14-inch pot too. Look at this, so beautiful. It's like being in a jungle. These Dracaena mascanes, 3-2-1 style, beautiful variegation. They're 65. These are gorgeous and a good height. These palms though, really beautiful. Thanks for watching, plant friends. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment, and follow me on Instagram at Life of Bellina.